relax. Okay, that's it. Hug this in. Before you do anything, hug these forearms in. And now put one foot on the wall, then the other one. Easy. Keep your knees bent. Let your head hang. And I want your front ribs not to stick out. I want them to, yes, I want them to move this way. Try not to stick them out. That's it. Now use your legs. Make your legs powerful. Push into the wall with your heels. And climb your buttock out of your shoulders. So you're using your legs to take all of this up, not to stick the front ribs to the wall. Hug the upper arms in. Very good. And lower and release. Okay, so you're using the feeling of hugging in to get more height in your body, not to stick the body to the wall, but to elongate so that you're not looking like this, but you're breathing this taller.
When you say hug the upper arms, do you mean the elbow goes outside or inside? It's like sometimes that's confusing because when I do like handstands, it's
okay.
Like,
this is a big topic. I'm just going to answer it really quickly because we could take an hour on this, and we should really, but we are not going to today. What I mean when I ask you to hug the upper arms is don't turn from your elbows. Your elbows don't do the work, and everybody's arms are different. So some elbows face and others should never face. It really depends on what kind of shape you have to your elbow. Is it a carrying angle? Is it a hyperextension? What's going on with your elbows? So what I mean when I say hug is I want you to make a muscle here. And I want that muscle, like we did with the block, to hold you. So don't turn. You're not turning. You're firming. Like you're lifting your quads. You want to create that tension in your arm so that arm is hugging in, and then you're lifting straight up. So that you're not sitting in your wrist, but you're pushing away. Yeah, so in other words, your whole wrist is open. It's not pressing down. It's open. It's like you're sucking all of this up, and you're doing it by making a muscle in your arm. And actually, when you do this, this is very, very easy. Yes?
Once being up, what's the indication to know if you have to take the hands a little backwards, like you showed with Ian, or a little forwards? What should you feel to know what exactly your hands are?
Well, ideally, your hands are underneath. But some student, like he's capable, so he made it too easy for himself. But if the student is really compressing like this, they don't have the strength. This is actually harder for some students than handstands. So then it might be better to move the hands a little forward for a little while to give that harmony. Yeah, because when the body is weak and you're flexible, you do this. And so you take the arms a little forward, and it gives you a little bit. But for him, he needs to. All right. All right, let's do it.